Next, speaking of Hollywood beauty secrets, the iconic red lip has to be a go-to for many celebs, but one that can sometimes go very wrong. Well, here's your celeb smile guide just in time for the weekend.
A lot of people ask me what red lipstick will suit them and what will work to make their teeth look whiter. And the philosophy behind it is that you need to use a lipstick with a blue undertone and avoid anything orange. If you smudge a lipstick out, you will see what colours are underneath, and the more blue a red is, the better it will be to make your teeth look white. Some of my favourite options for brightening your smile are the Super Dose lipstick from Sleek. And this has a really interesting teardrop shape that makes it really easy to shape the lip without using a pencil. It is a satin, nearly matte texture, and it can be blotted down to create a stain. So it's quite a versatile product. And I used the colour Disruptive. I've been dying to get my hands on the Stunna lip paint. I used Uncensored, which is a really rich, classic red with that perfect blue undertone to make your teeth look really white. If you want a more glossy effect, Max Factor have a lovely range of honey lacquer lip glosses, and the colour Floral Ruby is just a beautiful classic, nearly Marilyn Monroe lip colour. Another way to make your teeth much whiter is to use a whitening toothpaste, and there's loads of different options on the market nowadays. A new one is LA Pacific, which has an enzyme whitening toothpaste. So it uses an enzyme that reacts with the sugars in your mouth to really brighten your smile. It also has a pearlescence, so it leaves a kind of like a highlighter on your teeth that makes them really glow and sparkle. I used products from LA Pacific, Max Factor, Sleek and Fenty Beauty, and they are all available in Boots.